Hi guys, again I'm back with my videos. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing because I ordered sunglasses from this website, and so I'm gonna do a first impression. I just received this package. It's from EzContacts, and so I wanted to open it and do a video because there's not a lot of reviews from this website that I found helpful, because I was just kind of scared if they were gonna be fake or not. So I went ahead and I ordered them anyways, and then I wanted to do my own video on my first impression of these sunglasses. So we're gonna open them up together. I think I got it. These packages. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I waited like 2 weeks to receive this package, so I'm like very anxious too. Oh my god. Okay, so the box when I got it was heavier than I thought it would be. It's really heavy for a pair of sunglasses. So first I got this, and it's like a little pouch with a keychain, like a keychain pouch. And it has this little screwdriver, like sunglasses or glasses screwdriver. And then it opens up, and I guess inside there's a cloth. It says cloth to clean your glasses. So this is really cool. I like this a lot. I like it a lot. And then let's see what else we got. Oh, nice. And you get a I guess this is a cleaner as well, so you spray it on your glasses and then you clean it with the little cloth. This is super cool. I like this. That's awesome. So I'm liking it so far. And then you get a little card that says thank you for your purchase, EzContacts. There we go. And then of course I got my receipt, and yeah, it took a little bit over 2 weeks to get this, but I did order them the day before New Year's, so with the holidays and everything, it was expected to take a little longer than usual. So that's that. And then these are the sunglasses. Okay, so far, the box has a little scratch, but that's just the box that the glasses come in. And I ordered me some Versace or whatever, however you say it. I don't know how to say that. But here it is. Nice box. And then it has like the little sticker here. That just says like a bunch of numbers and stuff. It does say that it's from Luxottica, which is the group that manufactures all the brand name sunglasses. I don't know if you can see it right over here. And that's like that's a big deal, because they do like all the Prada, Versace, and Gucci, and all of those, like the brand names. They're the group who manufacture all of them. And then it says right here as well, Luxottica group. So that's a good sign that, you know, these glasses are legit. Oh, so then I opened it and I got the Versace Tribute cloth to clean the glasses, another cloth. And then I got the Luxottica little paper to make sure that they are indeed from that brand. They're not fake or anything. So I got this little paper, and it just has like a bunch of information on your sunglasses. So there was that. And then this little booklet, the Versace booklet. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Don't look at my nails. My nails are disgusting. And then this says this certificate of garancia. I guess this is a certificate of guarantee, international warranty, right here. So, you know, I really do think that these are not fake. So EzContacts, legit website that you can order your sunglasses for a lot cheaper than you would get them at like the Sunglass Hut, because that's the reason why I even order them, is because before New Year's we went to the outlets, and so I stopped by the Sunglass Hut outlet, and as soon as I saw these glasses I fell in love, and I was like, oh my god, I want them. But they were $295, obviously plus tax and everything. They were gonna come out to like $300, and there's just no way I would have paid $300 for these glasses. So what I did was I went online and I tried to find them for a cheaper price. I was just trying to find like used glasses, like maybe in Pushmark or Mercari or like anything, you know. And so I found this website, and as soon as I saw them I was like, oh my god, they were $148, but I ended up paying $133 because they had a 10% off coupon for the holidays. So I used that, and then it dropped down to $133 and free shipping. So it was a good deal. And so this is the case. No scratches or anything. Real pretty. It's really big. I don't like this big, like bulky sunglasses cases, but I am gonna be using this one because of course this is the first time that I've ever paid more than, you know, $10 for a pair of sunglasses. So this was my little treat from my hubby. Love you, baby. Thank you. And so I gotta really take care of them. So here we go. We're gonna open them. Ta-da! Ooh. Okay, so inside I do see like a scratch inside the box, and I do not like that. But it looked like it was just the package, like you see this right here. It must have been like just the sunglasses, you know, like because when they shipped them, like they just threw them around in the package, and it must be that, like right here, all these scratches right here. I don't like that, but it's inside, so that's okay. And there's scratches on top of here, right here, as you can see right there. But anyways, alright, so this is what the glasses look like. They're beautiful, and this is from the spring collection of 2018, so they're like a year old, or last year. But when I saw them I just fell in love with them. Look at this, so beautiful. I think it's called the Baroque, I don't know how to say that. But yeah, I love them. They are amazing, and they do feel, you know, they don't feel flimsy or anything. They feel really nice. And right here it says the model number. I don't know if you can see it right here. It's a model number. And then on the other side, right in here, it says made in Italy. And then right here in little mini numbers, it has like the item number, which from what I learned on the internet, like that's what you're supposed to look at when you are looking for glasses that are indeed legit and that they are from that brand, they're not fake. You're supposed to be looking for that number, and it is right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. So yeah. And then obviously it says like the Versace Tribute little stamp right there. And so yeah, these are my glasses. I really like them. And you know, to anybody out there that is looking to buy from EzContacts, but you're scared that they might be fake because of the cheap prices, these glasses are perfect. And I didn't pay no $295, you know, I only paid $133, and they're amazing. The only thing is that it took like 2 weeks to get them, but really it's not a big deal because I didn't really like need them right away. They also have like overnight shipping and everything, but you have to pay extra for that. And then my husband also ordered a pair of sunglasses, but he hasn't gotten them because they were not on stock, so they're still waiting to send them out. So that's been like probably 3 weeks for him. So yeah, I'm gonna put them on. And like I said, they feel really, really nice. Like they're kind of heavy, you know, like they're supposed to feel. Oh my god, I love them. Do I look cool? Do I look cool with this? I can't wait to wear them out. So now I've been like obsessed with this design. So I've been looking online for like bags and shoes and everything. Everything obviously is like super expensive, but I don't know, I might save up to buy me like a purse that goes with it, you know? Maybe some high heels. But yeah, so far I'm in love with this. It was awesome. Thank you, EzContacts. And I hope you guys like my unboxing. I'm a little nervous because I haven't done this in a while, but I really wanted to do it just because there's not a lot of reviews on YouTube about this not this brand, but like this website, EzContacts, and you do find like sunglasses, and they do have contacts and like frames and everything. There's a lot of skeptical people saying like, no, they're fake, but I really don't think they're fake. I don't know if I can take them to like the Versace store to have them checked to make sure that they are indeed from the brand, but I'm gonna try to do that and then update you guys on that. But so far from what I see right now, I do feel like they're, you know, they're real. They're not fake at all. They don't feel fake, they don't look fake. But I mean, I'm not an expert, you know, but they look really good, and unless you're an expert on sunglasses, like, you can't really tell. But I mean, everything was amazing. Like, I received the little cloth and the little case, and I mean, I feel like I got what I paid for. Like, this was a good purchase for me. I also was looking on their website, and on their website they answer the question as to why they are cheaper than any other retail, like Sunglass Hut or the actual Versace store. And it says that because they it says our sunglasses at such good prices, they're at such good prices that many buyers find it hard to believe that they are real designer. They, in addition, people feel insecure when they purchase expensive products online, but it says that EzContacts purchase all eyewear through legitimate sources, most of them directly from the manufacturer. So they purchase directly from, I guess, what I was telling you, Luxottica. They purchase directly from them, so, you know, they avoid all the extra costs that the stores have to go through, or like to put the item in the stores, it costs money because you're also paying for the actual store, you're paying for the, you know, the little bag that they come in, like, you're paying for all of that. And so obviously the price has to increase because otherwise they wouldn't be making any money. So I do think that the reason why they're so cheap, or not so cheap, because, you know, $130 for sunglasses, that's a lot of money, but the reason why are more affordable is because, like, they cut out the middleman, I guess. So if you are thinking of buying sunglasses, you might want to check EzContacts out, give them a try, and, you know, see what your experience is. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll be back with more. Thank you. Bye.